All right, let's jump to another one real quick. We have just a few more minutes. I want to make sure we respect time. Okay, Perplexity AI. Let me tell you what I know about this one. This is so cool for one thing. This is your version of Google on steroid. No more Google. Forget Google for a second. Now, our life has changed. Perplexity will give you more meaningful things and more contemporaneous things that are relevant now. A good example, let's use a real life use case, right? So you tell me now and say, hey, dude, I'm trying to find conferences to go, right? So this is a good one to say, let's go to Perplexity real quick. Perplexity AI. We can go to Perplexity. If you don't use it, I recommend it's a nice tool. I don't want to share it there, but I like it. So you can say, um, compile all upcoming cybersecurity conferences in the USA in table format and dates and registration included, something like that, right? So the point is that I just want something real. Google pulls it out, show me in real time, something I can just see there and there, and makes it easy for me in one simple format. Look at what it did for me, straight up. Very recent. I have the link. It shows me RSA is coming on with May, IE Symposium, June. This makes it so easy for me. You can even ask it to put price for you, right? Look at it. This is so cool. Easy. You can streamline it to relevant conference in your city too, and it will give you real life. I like it because it's good for research to make your life way more easy. Um, so that's the good thing about Perplexity. It also gives you references. Somebody said, "I love Perplexity to the moon." Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, if you're intellectual, academic, you would love Perplexity. It will give you reference point to whatever source documents you're pulling it from. So it's really nice for research. For most of us, we don't care. We just want information, make quick decision. But sometimes if you need to be able to defend your decision to reference the sources, then Perplexity is for you. Let me put another one real quick. Let's say, I say geomatics evolution in the USA with references using APA reference. Just something like that, American Psychological Association reference. So it will give you whatever information, then at the end it will give us good references. So if my professor asks me blah blah blah, I can cite so it kind of put it in APA reference for me. So it's just I, I have my research paper. Nobody can hold me for plagiarism because I've cited the reference, right? For all the documentation. So it's really good for research paper. So if you're up to your school, right? Don't say I ask you to. If you have a program you're working on right now and they give you assignment, this is the starting point, and it has the reference listed for you. So you have your papers, your reference papers here and there. So awesome. Okay, we're almost done. We'll be done in 7 minutes. So let's go to another one real quick. Okay, Perplexity we got. So the other one now is InVideo. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, how many of us have heard of InVideo? Anybody? If you've never heard of InVideo, oh boy, sorry. Feel bad for you already. But it's one of the most amazing tools out there, people. I mean, it's so crazily cool. I think it's one of the coolest invention of mankind, in my opinion, recently. It's crazy, man. In video, you have to use, every one of us, play with it. Use the trial version, please. Everybody must play with in video because you will just realize you're just you become a content creator overnight. You will just be doing your thing like magic anywhere you go to. So let's quickly go to InVideo. Um, InVideo is InVideo. Let's quickly go there. Let's stop sharing. Quickly share this. There's one more tool that we reserve for the end. Don't leave, man. That tool is, some of you know it already. Shoo. That one is, it's creepy, but sometimes it's creepiness is good at times. So look at this. This one is the in video. You can just come here. You can generate any kind of video. All you need is a prompt. So we can say, you know, um, I'll say show an African king and queen in royalty. Now, one thing I like about this in video, it will generate something, but the one I like is it has an AI imaging generation, but that one is very expensive. They use their paid version. But ladies and gentlemen, that is so real. It's crazy. It's worth it if you need to do a marketing for a project. Honestly, use it. If you have a marketing, maybe you have a program coming up, you want to, it will cost you maybe 60 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever number, but it's probably going to be one of your best investment. That would have cost you what this thing would do would easily have cost you 2,500 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Definitely. So the AI part is awesome. This one is using stock videos and existing images. So it will not give you the AI visuals the way I kind of like it, but it still works out well. So you can see here, it gave me the option of generative media. I would say stock media because generative media would charge us a lot. So we just keep it simple. I'll say, realistic, blah, blah, and it's coming up with it. You can see it's coming up with the ideas and all that. The final one before we wrap up. So while this guy is running, there's a tool out there. Some of you might have heard of it. It's called Yume.ai. Yume.ai. Oh, the one I reference is InVideo. 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 And for all of you, most of us, we have that document shared, but we'll come back to this to show you. But let's go to the final one. This one is a bit creepy. This one psychoanalyzes us. So be careful. While this guy is working, let's just leave this guy and come back there later. But let's quickly go to this final one, Yume.ai. So the tool is called, this is the final one, Yume.ai. This one is just crazy, people. Crazy to the core. It doesn't get more crazy than this one. Creepy, crazy, everything you want to call it. But see what this thing does, folks. This guy can psychoanalyze you all. Man, look at what's going to happen, people. So I come here. Let's see if you guys are seeing my screen. And I can come here to, there are many options. I can use it to analyze voices. I can talk to it to give me feedback on what people's expressions are. I can start the webcam, which I'm doing. You guys can see me. And it can psychoanalyze me and it's telling me the expression I'm showing, if I'm confused, if I'm calm. Why is this important? Imagine I'm the Secretary of State of a country and I'm speaking with you and I'm trying to sense you, your personality, and how you are receiving my message. I can psychoanalyze you. Look at what's going on here. It's showing I'm calm, confused. So it can show your expression of your face, everything about me. So you can imagine I'm on a Zoom call, somebody has API using this tool, and they're analyzing my conversation as we are talking. You see them wondering, oh, okay, this guy is not interested in this product. Oh, this is a done deal. He likes it. So they're analyzing your facial expression. AI is doing that. I mean, it's facial recognition software. It's always been there. But now it's weird because now behavioral scientists has put in all of this plugging of our expression to know how we are feeling and all the information out there. They've taken even a step further. They use other things, so let's say we have 50 people on a call. I can download all our files and it will psychoanalyze everybody's voice and give me a feedback on all our voices. That is crazy though. So that's where we are right now. So many crazy things, but this is a good tool. I like it a lot. I always look at all their updates every time. I actually subscribe to it because I find it very fascinating. So it's a good tool out there to also leverage for sure. So that's one of the, so play around it. Just log on to Yume.ai and hopefully you like it also the way I do. Let's another one. The final one. Let's just show you guys what the AI the okay, it's still working, but everybody should make sure you play with InVideo. It's a very good tool out there. At least, let me tell you one reality, man. Some 2 years ago, maybe less than, maybe two and a half, maybe, I used to have. a videographer helped me out on a lot of projects, and one of the instances I paid about maybe 4 grand for 4 videos or something like that. And guess what? All of those videos now, you know, at this era now, would have probably cost me just 150 bucks, because all I would do is I would have just subscribed to some of these tools, So you can imagine the reality of where we are right now for all of us. So if you are not using these tools, I know you might think you don't have time, you pay for it. I guarantee you. Yeah, you will pay dearly for it. You pay for that ignorance. And the beautiful thing is that these are things you can learn so quick. So why not just quickly learn it? There's nothing there. I've done nothing tonight, but I'm telling you, if you go back and just watch this video, play around these tools, you will find yourself to be a monster in this field. And keep shining, do great things. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate it. Thanks for being part of our Skillweed community. We'll keep doing this once a month, at least for the AI side of things. For my folks, register for the upcoming April class for GRC. Thank you. Keep showing up, keep putting the work, keep working hard, and always remember impossible is nothing. I'll see you all soon. God bless and take care, folks. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Thanks all.
From the dance floor to the boardroom, let your light shine, shine. Skillweed Academy, it's your time. Feel the drums pulsating, the energy so strong. Join the movement where dreams belong. From Lagos to Nairobi, hear the call. Skillweed Academy, break down the walls. Rise up, leaders, let the beat guide your way. Unlock your potential, seize the day. From the dance floor to the boardroom, let your light shine, shine. Skillweed Academy, it's your time. Oh, 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 Feel the drums pulsating, the energy so strong. Join the movement where dreams belong. From Lagos to Nairobi, hear the call. Skillweed Academy, break down the walls. In the heart of Africa, a flame ignites, a rhythm so vibrant, it sets minds alight. Skillweed Academy, where leaders are born. Embrace the tempo, let your dreams take storm. Rise up, leaders, let the beat guide your way. Unlock your potential, seize the day. From the dance floor to the boardroom, let your light shine, shine.